Hello guys, in today's tutorial we are going to look at how to design a star convention flyer in Photoshop. Let's start. Go to file, select new, and input your dimension. In this case my width is going to be 8 inches, my height is going to be 10 inches, my resolution is going to be 100, and my color mode is going to be CMYK color mode, and I'll hit on OK. Alright, then come to my zoom tool, fit this to the screen. Now let me come to the background here, put your cursor on it and drag this over here to make a copy. Now come to FX, go to gradient overlay, open this, and then let me go to my text and copy the color code. This is the color code. Copy this and paste this at this place, and the color code for this is D2B488C. Then hit on OK. Now come to this end, good, and copy the next color code and paste, Ctrl V to paste that. The color code is DEB887. Then hit on OK, hit on OK, hit on OK. Now the next thing I'll do is I'll go to my file and go to place. Alright, then I'll go and pick this color, this image, bring it in. Now go to edit, go to transform, and go to rotate. Now let me open this out like this, and then let me open it. Alright, then go to filter, go to blur, and go to Gaussian blur. Now blur this to 8.0 and hit on OK. Now come to normal and put this on soft light. Go back to fill, place, and bring in this image. Now position this at the top part over here like this. Open it up a bit. Now go to your blend option, choose soft light. Alright, then add layer mask to that. Pick your brush tool and brush out this, then brush out this. Alright, then the next thing we are going to do is go back to your go to your fill and pick levels. So we are going to add level to this. So let me move the level to this end. It is too plain, so let me add a B level to that. Okay, so you get something of this nature. Now go back to your fill again and pick curves. Now let me drag this to the top a little, so you will get something like this. Now hit on OK. Alright, now the next thing I'll do is I'll go back to my file, go to place, then pick this, pick that. Now position this and open it up a bit like this. Then go to your blending options and put this on soft light. Now add a layer mask to that. Pick your brush tool and brush the unwanted part off. Brush this part off. Alright. Now let me select all of these. And put this Ctrl J to group that and name this background. Alright, now the next thing I'll do is that I'll pick my type tool Alright, then I'll open this character channel and I'll be using a font called Mutant Font. Then I'll click here. Alright, and I'll type there. Then let me close this up a bit like this. Now let me change the color to white. Open this app. Okay, now let me duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate that. Come to your text box and copy this. Ctrl V to paste that. Now reduce the size. Increase it up a bit. Let me put this on 10. Okay, now let me select the two, and then I can then open the two app. Okay, now let me go back to my file and place. Then let me choose the logo. Pick your logo, send it on top over here. Rasterize the logo and pick a magic wand tool. Select this, hit on backspace key, Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Now select this and this, drag it to the down part like this. Now let's select this and center them well. Okay, all right. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to pick our type tool again, and then let's change the font to Christina, and let's type there presents. Okay, and bring this to this place. Now let's change this color. So we'll put it on black, but not all that black. Okay, now let me duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate that and bring it to the down. Now type there, go back to your type tool and pick, copy all of these, copy Easter, Ctrl V to paste that. Now let me go back and change my font to company. Let me open it up like this, and let me position it at this place like this. Okay, now let me duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate this. Go back to your text, copy convention, Ctrl V to paste that. Okay, let me close this up a bit. Close this up a bit. Okay, and bring it over here. Okay, right click on this, go to blending options, go to your gradient, and let's type in the color code A30376 and hit on OK, and type in 0097BD and hit on OK. Hit on OK. Now let me drop the shadow for this, so you get something like this. Then come here, pick bevel. Sorry, don't apply bevel yet. Let me add a stroke to this. Then hit on OK. Let me reduce the stroke size to 2. Hit on OK. Go back to your file and place this. Alright, now right click on this and create clipping mask. So okay, now the next thing I'll do is I'll double click on this, go to blending options, let me choose the gradient color, and then let me pick the black, this color. Hit on OK, hit on OK. Drop a shadow for this as well, and then you can hit on OK. Alright, now go back, pick your, double click on that and duplicate this. Pick your type tool and type here theme. Okay, now bring this close to this place like this. Ctrl J to duplicate this. Highlight all of this. Come and copy this. Copy that. Ctrl V to paste that. And bring it to this place. Okay, like this. Now change the color to something like this, and then come to effects and drop a shadow for that. Okay, now let me change the color from that color to more appealing color. Okay, I hit on OK. Now go back to your shape tool, pick your rectangle and make a rectangle like this. Bring it on top. Okay. Alright, so we'll get something like this. Now let me change the color for the rectangle to something like this and hit on OK. Now from there, I'll input the rest of the things, the date, the location over there. So let me duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate that, bring it to the down like this. Copy all of these. Ctrl V to paste that. Go back to your font. Okay. Alright. Now let me bring it to this end and hit on OK. Go back to your shape tool. Pick your rounded rectangle like this. Make a shape like this. Alright, now let me change the color back to this, select this and center align it. Now Ctrl J to duplicate this. Okay, now the next thing I'll do at this point is I'm going to pick my type tool again and then go back, copy your location, Ctrl V to paste that, and then center align that, Ctrl D to deselect and bring this to the down like this. Now change the color. Okay, duplicate this again, highlight this, go back, copy all of this, Ctrl V to paste that. Okay, now let me select this and increase the size a bit like this, Ctrl A to center it, Ctrl D to deselect. Alright, so now let me come to my shape. Okay, so I'll get something like this. Alright, go back to FX, drop shadow, and hit on OK. Then come back and change that to white. Okay, then bring all of these to the down. All right. Hit on OK. Hit on OK. Alright, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to leave your comments at the comment section. So let me change the color for this also to this blue so that it will match with okay. Alright, so guys, that is the design for us. Thanks for being on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.